Today we're going to explore Nikola Motors. Are they a scam? Let's find out. So sit back, relax and hit that like button. Continue watching until the end because I will share a secret tip with you the rich do not want you to know about. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. Question: do you currently own Nikola Motors stock, ticker symbol NKLA? Comment your answer below. Nikola Motors, founded in 2014 by the American businessman Trevor Milton, aims to revolutionize heavy goods transportation with the use of hydrogen fuel cells. The transition to renewable energy sources has been accelerated over the past 10 years due to the rapid uptake in electric vehicles, sold by the Tesla Motor Company, a formidable competitor to Nikola. The products. Nikola Motors currently has a wide range of products from hydrogen fuel cell semi-trucks to hydrogen-powered watercraft. Today we're going to look at the Nikola Badger pickup truck, one of Nikola's most anticipated products. The Nikola Badger has up to 1,328 Newton meters of torque, 906 horsepower, 965 kilometer range, and a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of 2.9 seconds. The Badger's competitor, the Tesla Cybertruck, has up to 1,355 Newton meters of torque, 690 horsepower, 804 kilometer range, and a 0 to 100 kilometer per hour time of 2.9 seconds. Another difference between these two vehicles is one is a physical product that has been seen in action and the other is just concept art. That's correct. The Nikola Motor Company is currently letting individuals reserve a vehicle for $5,000 that doesn't even exist. The scam. The first product created by the Tesla Motor Company was the Tesla Roadster first generation, released in February 2008. Tesla went public in June 2010. Nikola went public this year without a fully operational product available for purchase. This is where the problem lies. Nikola has a market cap of $24.3 billion with no physical pickup truck. It's just hot air and the stock is up over 400%. This presents me with some major red flags. The idea of investing in companies is because they have a product which solves a problem. Nikola doesn't have a product, therefore is not solving any problems. The investors who bought in early May are going to take profit soon, as this is the most logical thing to do. I could be completely incorrect, and Nikola does meet all of the specification ideals for their hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. However, until then, I will remain skeptical. If you have a different perspective, then please let me know in the comments below. Recap. Nikola Motors goes public. Unveiled concept art of a product that doesn't even exist. People are buying a product that doesn't even exist. The market capitalization is over $24.3 billion. The stock is up over 400%. Secret tip: I would not buy into the hype. I cannot see a hydrogen fuel cell automotive company succeeding during a global quarantine. We still have Wave 2 coming and stocks are overvalued. Nikola Motors, prove me wrong. Now you know, ladies and gentlemen, a little bit more about Nikola Motors. If you learned something here today, then I would kindly ask you to hit that like button if you haven't already. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified about all my future videos. If you want 2 free stocks worth up to £1 to £200, there is a link in the video description. Be sure to check out these videos on screen now, as I know you'll enjoy watching them. Also, don't miss out on all the fun things happening on my Twitter and Reddit. Cheers guys, and I'll be seeing you next time.